Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a health, career, and finances reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of Feb 2026. It's a general reading. Please keep that in mind, and it's definitely not going to resonate with all of you. I'm not a career counselor or financial advisor or health counselor or anything. I'm just reading the cards. Please take whatever resonates and leave the other portion behind. Okay, don't try to fit yourself forcible into it. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Okay, let's see Virgo what we have for you guys for this month. Let's see for your health. We have the King of Pentacles. Your health is going to improve a lot. You are going to feel the stability and the groundedness in your health. I think it's the result of your hard work. You might be working on your health from past 2 3 months maybe, because I remember in the last month I guess the health portion was not that much good. But now whatever you are suffering from, whatever issues you're having, you guys will be able to have a stable health. Although I do see you will not be able to fully recover from whatever the issue is, but you are going to be much more at peace, much more grounded, and much more uh, in this energy of stability. Please take care of your like iron levels. If it is not, if it is dropping or something is wrong with your iron level or your blood levels, HB or iron levels, please take care of that thing. Okay. Guidance is the Nine of Wands. It's like you guys might be having some kind of body ache issues, or you are feeling like as if your body is not opening up. You are feeling like your body is feeling tensions and stressed out energies. Do stretching. You know, whether you are working out or not, make sure that you are going to do 10 to 15 minutes of stretching at your home. You can follow YouTube videos, you can do yoga, you can do breath work, but make sure that you are moving your body at least for 10 to 15 minutes per day. Even if it is gentle stretching, it's going to help you a lot in keeping your energies intact. If you are feeling like your body is having issues, check out your digestive system also. Maybe you are having digestive system issue, digestive issues. That's why you guys are not able to fully enjoy your good health or something. So HB, iron issues, and digestive things. And stretching, 10 to 15 minutes of stretching is going to help you a lot. Okay, let's see who are working for others or doing job, how it is going to be for you guys. Knight of Swords. You guys are going to feel like you should just run away from whatever you are doing because it's not aligning with your path or values anymore, Virgo. You were into a job or you were doing some work because at first you felt like this is something that you really want to do, but then with time you're realizing that this is not aligning with your path or values anymore. You're feeling like you should change your job or work as soon as possible because this one is not working out. You are going to feel the restlessness and that energy of I don't want to do this, I just want to quit and move. Cool. Fast moving changes are going to happen in your energies. Guidance here is the Queen of Pentacles. Be in a grounded and stable mindset when you are going to take these kind of life changing decisions, right? Because career is like 70 to 80% of our lives are based on our careers, right, Virgo? At least till the age of 60 65, right? So if you are going to make any kind of nasty choices or nasty decision, meaning in restlessness or in this energy of I want to just get out of here, you might not feel good about it later on, right? So properly think about it, properly understand how important this career or this job is to you right now, and if you can afford to lose it right now. Think about it properly and honestly, and then make the wise decision or wise choice. Okay, maybe this is something that is very very important for you to give you the bread and butter and the bills and everything. Maybe right now you cannot afford to lose it, so don't make any kind of life changing decisions in any kind of rush or hurry. Okay, now for those of you who are self employed or doing their own business thing, Six of Cups, somebody is going to help you a lot, like a person with whom you're going to feel a past life kind of connection with. is going to reappear in your life, or they are already in your life but they are going to help you in different ways. Okay, so something that you used to do with someone at some point of time, a business that you used to do with someone at some point of time, it was not flourishing at that time, now it will start flourishing. If you don't have anybody by your side, help is coming your way. Whosoever you are going to connect with, this person and you are going to make a solid team, and this person is going to make you feel like as if you know them from a lot of past lives, and you guys are going to create some kind of magical business opportunities here. So Virgo, if you are self-employed or doing business, there is help around you. Universe is sending help to you very very soon, if you don't have a partner right now, and this partnership is going to make you feel very aligned. Soul alignment is going to be there, and you guys are going to create a lot of good business. Awesome. Guidance here is the Hierophant. Okay, this person might be, they are not going to be directly related to your business thing. Maybe this person is going to be a mentor or a guru or a healer or a very spiritual person. They are going to definitely guide you. Your business thing is directly related to some kind of spiritual bond, spiritual connection that you're having with someone. So a mentor, a guru, a healer, or somebody who is going to help you in your business is going to be around you. Make sure when this person is going to show up in your life, you are going to take them seriously, and you are not going to take this as, oh, these kind of people, these kind of opportunity keeps on coming in lives. No, this one is different. This one is very different, Virgo. Don't fuck this up. Yeah. Let's see, for those of you who are seeking for another job or business opportunity, whether you're a total fresher or experienced. Let's see how it is going to be for you guys. Knight of Wands. Okay. I think you guys are going to get some kind of opportunity that is going to make you feel like butterflies in the stomach, the adrenaline rush. But this is something that might not be a permanent kind of thing. This is something that is for the time being. Maybe a small gig, a small work opportunity, freelancing, or for business people, it's going to be something that you can do for a short term. Okay, there is going to be an opportunity for you guys that you are going to like. It is going to definitely make you feel like this is good. For some of you, you guys will be traveling for work, and that is going to make you feel very very excited. The travel part itself, whatever it is going to make you feel alive again, active again, and it is going to make you feel this is really something that I want right now. So it is for the time being. I don't see stability here. It can be, but right now it is for the time being kind of a thing. Guidance here is the Ace of Cups. Keep your heart open, keep your energies open, and enjoy this chapter fully from your heart and soul, right? With your heart and soul. Because right now, even if you are not able to see the opportunity, the long term opportunity in the situation, eventually this is something that have the potential to become something long term, something stable, because this is something that you guys are going to like a lot, love a lot, and you guys are going to realize that if I'm loving this thing so much, I can create business, I can create job out of this thing. Okay, awesome. It's like remote job or remote work kind of a thing, but you guys are going to enjoy it. Let's see for your finances what we have for this month, Virgo. Page of Pentacles. Okay. So there is going to be slight improvement in your finances. Whether you guys will be able to save a little bit more, or you will start a saving plan this month only, or you guys will be able to invest like into something meaningful, something earthy, like maybe property or some kind of earthy thing, grounded thing, stable thing, long term thing. Even if it is going to be some kind of small thing, this is going to give you a sense of relief that this is something that I can create a legacy with, even if it is small, even if it is something very, what we call that, slow, but it has the potential to become something really good in the coming future. Yeah. Six of Wands as the guidance is, try not to be too flashy, Hmm? Try not to show off a lot to other people. If you don't have something, you don't have something. You don't have to be um, ashamed of who you are and what you are right now. Just because other people, let's say they have a Lamborghini or something and you don't have it, but you are trying to flash like, okay, I don't have Lamborghini, but see, I have this, I have that, I have this. So save your money and don't spend your money in stupidity. You're going to regret it later, especially if you're a young person, like in your 20s or something. In our 20s, we all are foolish, almost, right? Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.